If Warframe isn't connecting, logging in, or letting you play right now, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain what's happening, how to tell if Warframe is actually down, and what you can do while the servers are having issues. First, let's confirm whether this is a real outage. Go to Down Detector and search for Warframe. If you see a sudden spike in reports, especially focused on server connection problems, that means the issue is on Warframe's side, not yours. Right now, the majority of reports are server related, which usually confirms a widespread outage. When Warframe outages look like this, restarting your game or console usually won't fix it. However, there are a few quick checks you can do just to rule out local issues. Restart the game completely, then restart your PC, console, or launcher. Make sure the game fully closes before reopening it. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and wired connection if possible. If you're on console, test your network connection and system settings. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Warframe often blocks or struggles with VPN connections during server instability. If you're stuck on failed to connect, on network not responding, or login errors, this usually means Warframe's servers are overloaded or temporarily down. In these cases, reinstalling the game or clearing data will not help and is not recommended. The best thing to do during a confirmed outage is to wait. Warframe outages often resolve within minutes to a few hours. You can monitor updates by checking Warframe's official social media accounts, especially at Play Warframe, where they usually acknowledge server issues and post updates. Once the servers start coming back online, try launching the game again. If you still have problems after the outage clears, restart your system one more time and make sure your game is fully updated. If this video helped explain what's going on with the Warframe outage, leave a like, share it with other Tenno who are stuck, and subscribe for fast updates and fixes for game and tech issues.